Welcome to Duke the Interior Designer. I'm excited to present this new tutorial today on how to make a decking. A decking is an architectural feature that is a flat surface capable of supporting weight, similar to a floor but typically constructed outdoors, and it's often elevated from the ground and usually connected to a building. And it can use wood, and we can also use the same concept that I want to work with right now for making the ceiling or the roof of a pagoda. Pagoda is also an outdoor gardens feature that forms a shaded walkway. Okay, welcome as we work on this. And the first thing that I want to do is to go to new object. Then we can consider the subtype. Go to model, go to furnishing, choose other furniture. You can decide to put the author, the description, and the keywords. For me, I won't for today. Then go to 2D, write project 2, 3 to 72. And we write this because we want to see whatever you are creating on this view here. Then after this, go to the parameters. Below the ZZ, add several. The first one would be our wood width. Then we come to the other one, would be our wood spacing. The other one would be our wood thickness. And then wood mat, that is wood material. Let's copy. Wood thickness, wood mat, but let's put it at wood. Wood thickness, wood width, I will need 150. For wood spacing, I need 50. Wood thickness, 50. Wood mat, this is a surface. Come and do the wood horizontal. And because I'm not using the normal prism, I need our edges to be curved. I want to use H prism. We'll need the heel angle. Go to the next. Heel height. And then we can finish with the heel status. Heel angle, we click on the angle itself, we maintain at 0. If you do any angle that more than 0, you don't get smooth curves. And then the heel height, because we have the wood thickness at 50, let's do 10. And then heel status is an integer. Let's do at 0. Let's copy these other parameters. Okay, and we are now ready to go. Our wood planks will cover the length of A. Let's put it 3000. And each wood plank will be B length. Let's put it 1500. Once you're done, let's go to our 3D. As we've already said, you start with Torah. I write 0.0001. Then now you can go to the go sub 100 and then do the labels, and our label is 100 colon and a return. And the first thing that we need to ask ourselves is how many woods plankings can cover this space, and this can best be described by giving us a formula, and we can write here wood count will be equal to int. Int means the figures that we are getting, they will be integers, not strings, and therefore we need to divide A, which is the whole length that the wood plankings need to cover, divide by into brackets again, and then inside here we will need the wood width plus the wood spacing. Okay, then from there we need to invoke the loop for I would now determine the exact number of wood plankings that you get will be equal to, we are starting from 0 to this number that we are determining here, the wood count. And then for us to get the gradual increase, we'll need to go to add x. Mine will be going along the x value, and this is where we need to say that each is I. The total, no, that the total will be I minus 1. Why are we reducing by 1? Because as you make this calculation of wood count, you may get some decimal space points, and this is where we get the issue of the math value of floor or ceiling. And to counteract that, we need to reduce by 1 and then multiply this into bracket again. We can copy the wood width plus the wood spacing. Wood width plus the wood spacing. From here we construct our H prism. And from our previous lessons, we saw that H prism has 4 materials: the top, the bottom, and the 2 sides. But because our wood is only one material, we'll use the wood mat. Copy, go to 3D, paste 4 times, and then ask yourself how many points is each of these wood width. I've drawn here. We are starting from here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then finish with where we started. So we'll need 5 points. And what is the thickness of each wood? Is this one. Paste here, and then we'll need the heel angle. Heel angle, heel height, and then the heel status. and then we construct our wood. And this time I'm not doing from the center where we have the center of the object. I'm starting from the original x and y values, which are 0 0. So this will be 0 0. The other one will be wood width 0. This will be wood width, and then the b value, this will be 0 b until we finish. So let's continue. We have 0 0 0 15. The other one will be wood width 0 15. The other one would be wood width, then the b value 15. Then the other one will be 0 b 15, and then we can finish with 0 0 negative 1. From here we've add x, that's as transformation. Delete. We need to delete all transformations, and then finish with the loop, which is next I. Next I. And then you can check our code. It's correct. Let's click here, and voila, we've done it. Let's save this and see what we have. Let's call it decking deck wood. Let's go to the ground floor, go to object. You only need to click, just click here, and guys, you can see what we have here. Let's take a few measurements and prove ourselves right. You see, each is 150 and the spacing is 50. And the beauty of all this, you are capable of changing so many things. You can decide to change the wood width, let's say 200. You see, they've changed, they've become less. As you increase the space of each, the width of each wood, they become less. Assuming you want 100 for the spacing, you see, or you may even decide to have 0. Good, you can see. And the beauty of even having a 0, you are making now what we call wood laminate. Let's check it out in 3D. Let's just make a marquee of a very small area. This one. Here it is. Can you see what I'm talking about? There's a groove. So this can make very good floor laminates. Let's render and see what we get. Alright guys, that's it for now. If you want to copy the code I've expanded for you, that's the code. When it's expanded, you can be able to take notes from here. Thanks for watching. I do believe that you'll subscribe. For those who haven't, keep sending the comments and I'll be ready to respond. Thank you.